Dear students, we are discussing ideal solutions and non-ideal solutions under the types of liquid binary solutions. So in the last class we discussed ideal solutions, examples, definition and their characteristics. So the solutions which obey Raoult's law at all the concentrations and temperatures are called as ideal solutions. So in ideal solution, delta H mixing is equal to 0, delta V mix is equal to 0 and intermolecular force of attractions so present in the mixture as well as in the pure states is same. So then if you draw a graph of the mole fraction, if you draw a graph of mole fraction taking along x-axis and vapor pressure P along y-axis for a ideal solution, then so here x1 is equals to 0, x2 is equals to 1. So x1 is equals to 1, x2 is equal to 0 for two components. So then you will get a straight lines passing through the origins. So this is vapor pressure of first component P1 and this is the line for vapor pressure of second component P2, and so this is another horizontal line, so it is P total is equal to sum of the partial vapor pressures of component 1 and component 2. So this is P0 2 and this is P0 1. So okay, line 1 and line 2. So this is for ideal solutions, no deviation here because intermolecular force of attractions in the solutions as well as in the pure states is same. So this is a graph for ideal solutions. Okay, next, second type of liquid binary solutions is non-ideal liquid binary solutions or simply non-ideal solutions. So the solutions, the binary liquid solutions which do not obey Raoult's law at all the concentrations and temperatures are called as non-ideal solutions. So the solutions, the liquid binary solutions, which do not obey Raoult's law, at all the concentrations and temperatures. Are called as non-ideal solutions. Thus, the liquid binary solutions which do not obey Raoult's law at all the concentrations and temperatures are called as non-ideal solutions. There are two types of non-ideal solutions. Two types of non-ideal solutions. First one is non-ideal solution, shows positive deviation, positive deviation Example for this is ethyl alcohol. So that means ethanol plus water. Ethanol plus water. Next, ethanol plus acetone. Ethanol plus acetone is a non-ideal solution showing positive deviation from Rolle's law. Benzene plus acetone. Benzene plus acetone is also a non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. Methanol plus acetone. Once again, methanol plus acetone is once again a non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. Totally, the liquid binary solutions which do not obey Rolle's law at all the concentrations and temperatures are called as non-ideal solutions. There are two types of non-ideal solutions. First type is non-ideal solution showing positive deviation from Rolle's law. And second type of non-ideal solution is that is B. Non-ideal solution shows negative deviation from Rolle's law. Negative deviation from Rolle's law. Non-ideal solution showing negative deviation from Rolle's law. Example for this negative deviation is, first one is acetone plus chloroform. Acetone plus chloroform. Second one HCl plus water. Third one HNO3 plus water. Next, fourth one phenol plus aniline. So these are the non-ideal solutions which shows negative deviation from Rolle's law. Okay, next, let us come to the non-ideal solutions. Showing positive deviation. Positive deviation from Rolle's law. Non-ideal solutions showing positive deviation from Rolle's law. Examples already we discussed. Characteristics. So characteristics of non-ideal solution showing positive deviation from Rolle's law. The first one is, so in this type of non-ideal solutions, intermolecular force of attractions in the solution are weaker than intermolecular force of attractions present in the pure states. That is intermolecular forces of attraction. Intermolecular force of attractions in the solution mixture or solution are weaker than intermolecular forces of attractions, intermolecular force of attractions in pure states. So that is AB, intermolecular force of attractions in the solution less than that of intermolecular force of attractions present in the pure states. BB or AA. So pure states AA or BB. So intermolecular forces are more than intermolecular forces in the solution. So this is mixture. So this is a non-ideal solution showing positive deviation. First characteristic properties. And second one is second characteristic properties is it is absorbed. It is absorbed during mixing. It is absorbed during mixing. So that is delta H mix is equal to positive. Delta H mix is equal to positive. So that is it is absorbed during mixing. So that means here delta H is not equal to 0 in the case of non-ideal solution. And showing positive deviation means delta H mix is equal to positive. So this is because intermolecular forces of attractions in the solution is less. So that force is not enough. To overcome the forces of attraction present in the pure states. So that less heat is liberated to the surroundings. To overcome the intermolecular forces of attraction present in the pure states, some amount of heat energy is absorbed from the surroundings. That is because intermolecular forces in the mixture is weaker. Hence less heat is liberated. During mixing. So that is intermolecular forces of attractions in the solution or mixture is very less. So that very less amount of heat is liberated during mixing. So this less amount of heat liberated during mixing is not enough to overcome or to break the intermolecular force of attractions present in the pure states. Hence, so to overcome the larger intermolecular force of attractions present in the pure states, some amount of heat energy is absorbed from the surroundings during mixing. Full stop. This small h, this small amount of h, it is not enough to overcome the forces of attractions in the pure states surroundings. Absorb from the surroundings. So that is delta H is positive. Okay, next. Third one. Third one is volume during mixing. Volume of solution. Volume of solution during mixing. Mixing increases. So that is delta V mix becomes positive. Delta V mix becomes positive. So it is volume of solution or volume of mixture. So increases when two components undergo mixing takes place. So volume of solution, so okay, during mixing increases. Delta V mix is equal to Z, positive. So that is because since very weaker intermolecular forces of attractions are present in the mixture or solution, the molecules remains at larger distances. Hence, the volume increases. Yavaga intermolecular forces of attractions between the molecules in the solution is very less, then the two components in the solution remain at larger distances. So the distance between the molecules increases. When the distance between the molecules in the solution increases, volume also increases. So that is because when the intermolecular forces in the mixture is very weak, come on, the molecules in the solution remain at larger distances. When the molecules remain at larger distances, then volume of the solution during mixing increases. So delta V mix becomes positive. So these are the three characteristics of the non-ideal solutions which shows positive deviation. So for such type of non-ideal solutions showing positive deviation, if you draw a graph of vapor pressure along y-axis versus mole fraction along so the x-axis, then a maxima is obtained because of increase in volume and delta H becomes positive. So x1 is equals to 0, x2 is equals to 1. So x1 is equals to 1, x2 is equals to 0. So this is according to Raoult's law, showing the ideal solutions. So this is for ideal solutions. No change in volume, no change in enthalpy. Intermolecular force of attractions are also same in the solution, are also in the pure states. This is according to Raoult's law. But according to positive deviation, non-ideal solution positive deviation, so then maxima is observed. And once again, this is horizontal line according total pressure, vapor pressure according to so the Raoult's law for ideal solutions, and for non-ideal solutions showing positive deviation. So this is the maxima. So it is. These are the lines according to vapor pressure, vapor maximas. See here, maximas. These maximas are the Raoult's law. Okay, that means these are the vapor pressure according to non-ideal solutions. Vapor pressure for positive deviation. Positive deviations. Maxima is appearing. Maxima is appearing. So straight lines, horizontal straight lines. These are straight lines according to Raoult's law. Vapor pressure, no change in the vapor pressure. But so maxima is appeared in the vapor pressure of non-ideal solutions which showing positive deviations. So these are the maximas. Even in total pressure also increases. Total pressure also increases. Okay, next. Draw a graph of vapor pressure versus mole fraction for non-ideal solutions showing positive deviation from Raoult's law. So non-ideal solutions which shows positive deviation from Raoult's law forms a maximas in the vapor pressure. Vapor pressure increases. Vapor pressure of non-ideal solutions increases than vapor pressure expected from Raoult's law. Okay, next. So B, non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions. Non-ideal solutions showing. Non-ideal solutions showing negative deviation. Negative deviation. Negative deviation from Raoult's law. From Raoult's law. So examples already we discussed. Phenol plus aniline, water plus HCl, HNO3 plus HCl, okay, HNO3 plus water, chloroform plus acetone. So these are non-ideal solutions showing negative deviation from Raoult's law. So if we come to the characteristics. So here intermolecular forces of attractions in the mixture is greater than the intermolecular forces present in the pure states. So that is first one, A, B, intermolecular forces. So this is mixture is greater than intermolecular force of attraction present in the pure states. AAR, BB. So it means intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces of attraction. Intermolecular forces of attractions in the mixture is greater than intermolecular forces of attraction present in the pure states. And second one, heat is liberated. Heat is liberated during mixing. Second characteristic property, heat is liberated during mixing. So that is delta H mix is equal to negative. Delta H mix is equal to negative. This is because during mixing, intermolecular forces of attractions are more in the solution. Intermolecular forces of attractions are more during mixing, so that the more heat is liberated during mixing. That heat energy, that more amount of liberated heat energy is greater than the energy required. So to overcome intermolecular forces of attraction, so in the pure states. So so that some amount of heat energy is liberated to the surroundings. Some amount of heat energy is liberated to the surroundings. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆವಾಗ ಹೀಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That amount of heat energy is greater than, that amount of liberated heat energy is greater than energy required to break the intermolecular force of attraction in the pure states. Pure states ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು intermolecular force of attraction ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ intermolecular force of attraction ನ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೀಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಲಿಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಬರೇಟೆಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ intermolecular force of attractions in the solution or in the mixture is greater, so more amount of heat is liberated. That liberated heat energy is higher than energy required to overcome the forces of attractions in the pure states. So excess of heat energy ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it is liberated to the surrounding. So that is heat is liberated during mixing, that is negative. Okay, next third characteristic is volume of mixture or solution. Volume of mixture decreases during mixing. That is delta V mix is equal to negative. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ during the formation of solution or mixture, volume of the mixture during mixing decreases. This is because intermolecular force of attractions in the mixture is more. Molecules in the mixture are very close to one another because of large intermolecular force of attractions. ಯಾವಾಗ intermolecular force of attraction ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟು ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪರೇಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ since the distance of separation in the mixture is very less, comma, volume of mixture, volume of solution decreases. Suppose 100 cm cube of component A mixed with 100 cm cube of another component B, then to form 190 cm cube of solution AB. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 cm cube ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪರೇಷನ್ between A and B in the mixture decreases due to large intermolecular forces of attraction. So delta V mix is equals to negative, kadme agutte. So that is example 100 cm cube A plus 100 cm cube B is equal to 198.8 cm cube graph AB mixture. Totally ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ. ಮೊದಲು ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ 200, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 198.8 cm cube ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್ ಆದಾಗ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ನಡುವೆ, ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಪರೇಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, volume of mixture increases. So for such type of non-ideal solution showing a negative deviation from Rolle's law. So if we draw a graph of non-ideal solution showing negative deviation from Rolle's law, mole fraction, so along x-axis and vapor pressure, so along y-axis. So say you take this is according to Rolle's law. Is according to Rolle's law. Dotted line represents according to Rolle's law. This Rolle's law, vapor pressure, no change. So, but non-ideal solution showing a negative deviation. Minima is observed. Minima. So, even in the total vapor pressure also, minima. See, minima. So, vapor pressure. So, this minima is the vapor pressure of negative deviation. So this dotted line represents vapor pressure for ideal solution. For ideal solution, no minima, no maxima is observed in vapor pressures. But for non-ideal solution showing negative deviation, minima observed. So for component 1, component 2 and even in the total vapor pressure also. This is the total vapor pressure according to the non-ideal solution showing negative deviation. So this is the total pressure, the vapor pressure according to the Rolle's law. Ideal solution totally decreases. Minimas are observed for the non-ideal solution showing negative deviations.